Hello, dear students of class 11. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing very well. Dear students, today I am here again with our total English unit number 6 homework answers page number 93. First, I will be dictating the answers of the previous homework given on page number 93, followed by directed writing and phrasal verbs. Alright, so here let us see that I have written 5 answers here. After that 5 answers I will be dictating rest of the things. 3 men are loading the wagon. The wagon is being loaded by 3 men. The wagon is being loaded by 3 men. The wagon is being loaded by 3 men. The next answer is Shasha was given a reward for her bravery by the president. Shasha was given a reward for her bravery by the president. So please look at answer number 3. People knew Mr. Singh to be a cruel man. People knew Mr. Singh to be a cruel man. Fourth answer, alas, Rajiv's voice is no more heard by us. Alas, Rajiv's voice is no more heard by us. The fifth answer is the book on wildlife was reviewed by one of the most eminent scholars of the day. Once again, the book on the wildlife was reviewed by one of the eminent scholars of the day. So 5 answers we have completed. Sixth one, please pay attention. Sixth one, why were you deprived of your money by Sam? Why were you? Sixth one, I will write it for you. Sixth one, why were you deprived of your money by Sam? Why were you deprived of your money? Why were you deprived of your money by Sam? Seventh answer is girls are now wearing short shirts again. Girls are now wearing short skirts again. Seventh answer is girls are now wearing short skirts again. Eighth answer is they are taking too much for granted. Eighth one, they are taking too much for granted. Don't take anything for granted. Alright, so that is a very important lesson that you have to practice in our life. So here the ninth answer I am going to write. Ninth answer is the king was accused by his subjects. The king was accused on various offenses by his subjects. The king was accused of various offenses by his subjects. Ninth answer I repeat here. The king was accused on various offenses by his subjects. Yes, dear students, now I am going to erase here. Tenth one. By whom has the glass been broken? By whom has the glass been broken? Tenth answer I dictate here. By whom has the glass been broken? 11. It feels that these situations need never arise. It feels that these situations never need arise. It feels that these situations need never arise. It feels that these situations need never arise. 12th one, I am going to raise this one. Answer number 12, that is, his voice must be listened. His voice must be listened. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listen. His voice must be listened. Can you see all these things? Yes. 13. It was hoped that Varun would succeed his father. 13. Where is that? It was hoped by Varun to succeed. It was hoped by Varun to succeed his father. There is that it was hoped by Varun to succeed his father, or he can write in another way also. It was hoped that Varun would succeed his father. Or option is there. It was, what is that? Yes, it was hoped that Varun would succeed his father. So for 13 option is there. Now 14 and 15, last two I will write here. Number 14. It is reasonably believed that they have saved the crew. It is reasonably believed that they have saved the crew. It is reasonably believed that they have saved the crew. The last one is, so false an accusation is never ought to be made. So 15th one. So an accusation so false an accusation is never ought to be is to be made. So false an accusation is never ought to be made. So dear students, yes, these are the answers. With your answers, slight difference may be there. Please correct all those things. So right now we are moving to the next part of our class, that is on page number 94. Directed writing. Directed writing, pages 94, 98. 94 to 98. 94, 98. Yes. In this class, after completing the assignment, we are in the second part of the class, that is directed writing. In this directed writing, the first point we are going to see, that is review of a cultural program. What is a review? It is an evaluation, a critical analysis and evaluation of a program or a book or a film or a story or whatever may be. That is called a review. Viewing again, that is the meaning. Review, view again, see again, go through again. These are the meanings of review. So there are certain methodology which we need to follow while writing a review. Cultural program. So many cultural program we used to have in our school, isn't it? The normal study year, academic year. A cultural program is a program comprising music, dance, folk songs, folk dance, short skits, etc., aimed at highlighting the values and culture of a society. A review of such a program must include the following. Review. These are the outline that you need to keep in reviewing a program. Following points you need to focus in writing the review. Date and venue of the program. Date and venue of the PRG means program. Yes. Then inauguration by the chief guest. Inauguration by the chief guest. You know, you are very much familiar with all these things. Then entertainment program. Entertainment program. Then the next one is other important features. Then the fifth one is highlights of the program. And finally, reaction of the audience. Yes, dear students, please once again pay attention here. What are the things that we focus when we write a review on a cultural program? You must have seen hundreds of cultural program on various venues, right, including our school. At least in a calendar year we have got about 20, minimum 20 various cultural program beginning with our investiture ceremony. Unfortunately we could not have anything because of the corona pandemic, all right. But when you write a review of a program, what are the things that you need to focus? That is what you have to take care. The first one is date and venue of the program. When and where this program happened. The second one, inauguration of the chief guest. Who inaugurated that function? DM or district collector or any other very important person like that. Then the entertainment program, that is Nach Gana Vagera Vagera, you know, that entertaining, dance, disco dancing, all those things. Then other important functions. What can be the other important functions? It can be a prize distribution, or a marvelous speech, or a unexpected program conducted by the chief guest, like that. Then highlights of the program, maybe flag hoisting or parade or prize distribution or best student award, like that. Then the last thing, that is reaction of the audience. Of course, how the people or the people, those who watch, spectators or the audience, they react with thundersome applaud or shouting, big shouting, hooray, hip hop, hooray, all those things, isn't it? Yes, all these 6 points you need to include in your review writing. And on page number 94, dear students, one review is given here that you need to read one time, and that is the model. For the examination you will be asked to write a review of this one. Outline will be given to you. Based on those outline only you need to develop your answer. Date and venue of the program, inauguration, the division of the area into pavilions and other decoration, the goods available in different pavilions, the food court and the cookery contest, cultural programs, the overall impression among the visitors. So those are the things. Remember our science exhibition program. That was a superb thing, isn't it? Science exhibition conducted a few years back, or inter-school competitions. Yes, those are the things. So accordingly, dear students, on your page number 94, in page number 94, this one model review is given here. See, this model review is given here. Please go through one time and get an idea, and accordingly you have to write the assignment. On page number 95, assignment is given there. There you have to write anyone you have to follow. Yours, yes. Then speech writing. Next topic we are going to discuss is about speech writing. So speech review is over now. Speech writing. What is that? Yes, speech writing. Yes, dear students. In speech writing also outline will be given to you, and based on that outline you have to prepare your speech. If you are asked to deliver a speech on a particular occasion like Gandhi Jayanti or Little Flower Day or our Environmental Day or any other occasions, Teachers Day, Children's Day or Christmas Day, Diwali Day and so on, you need to form an outline. So what are the things that you need to focus here? At some point in our life, whether at the school or at the workplace, it is likely that we are called upon to give a speech. So many of you have given. Almost during the assembly every day we have a short message or short speech. One of you give, isn't it? That is a practice. Instead of copying from some other places, some other books, this time onwards, please have it by yourself. Then model speech is given here. Meaning of, see, model speech, meaning of true happiness, difference in the lives of our ancestors and the present generation. The present generation likes true happiness, materialistic lives, slaves to machines, lack of true bonds of love in nuclear families of today, then forefathers happier than us. So, topic is that the happiness of our life or meaning of true happiness, making a comparison of our older generation and our situation, our life. So, please again, are we happier than our forefathers? That is the topic given here and on page number 95 and 96. Again it is given here. So again on page number, you have to read. I am not going to read and spend the total time there. Model speech, it is given there. Read and the same way you prepare one speech and forward to me by selecting any one of the topics that is given on page number 96. Yes, dear students, now we are in the last part of our class, that is phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, yes, we are on page number 97. Phrasal, yes. Phrasal verbs, page number 97, 98. 97, 98, that is the end part of this one. I will just read and make you to understand the meaning, then I will wind up the class of the day. Lay by, reserve for the future. Lay by some money for a rainy day, reserving. Lay down, sacrifice. The soldier laid down his life for the country. Or fix, establish, that was. New rules have been laid down to deal with tax evaders. Then lay off, dismiss. The factory had to lay off some workers. Dismiss, lay out, arrange. Lay out the table for dinner. Lay up with, confined to bed. She is laid up with malaria, means sick. That is the meaning. Look after. Look after means to take care of. She looks after her uncle's dog. Look ahead, plan for the future. Yes, one should look ahead for success. Look around, search. I am just looking around for a pencil. Look at. To direct one's gaze seriously or with concentration. The teacher took a look at what Anil was doing, like this one, seriously looking. Yes, I am looking at you. That is called look at. Look down, hate. One should not look down upon the poor. Look down on upon, the meaning is same. Look after, search. Look after, that is look around, look for. Look for means search. Look forward to, expect with pleasure. We are looking forward to the cultural program, or we are seriously looking forward to the reopening of the schools. Look in, make brief visit. Yes, on the way to Bangalore, I looked in my friend Abu. Look into, make investigation. Yes, I will look into the matter. The principal looked into the matter. Look on, regard us. I look on him as an authority on Shakespeare. Look on, regard us, a great person. Yes, I still remember the send off of our previous 12th class students arranged by class 11. Hasta la Vista, that was the program they conducted, and they gave me a title. They gave me a title, Walking Wikipedia. I like that very much. Walking Wikipedia. So, regard someone, that is, I mean, look on, regard us. They looked on me as a walking Wikipedia. Look over, examine. The finance minister looked over the papers before placing the budget in the parliament. Look through, go through. That is, she quickly looked through the newspapers. Look to, expect from. He looks to his father for guidance. Look to, guidance. Look up, improve. Share prices are looking up these days, improving. Search, look up. Search, I am looking up the word in the dictionary. Then make is the next word, that is on page number 98, dear students. Make away with, steal, chori karna, bhag jana. Yes, the servant made away with 10,000 rupees. Make for, rush to. We made for home when it rained. Rush to. Patapat bhagna jana. Make off, hurry away. The car made off after the shooting. Make out, understand. I can't make out anything in his letter. That is, claim, make out. That is, he makes himself out cleverer than he is, or argue. So many meanings are there for the meaning of make out. Argue. The lawyer made out the case of Mr. Verma successfully. Then construct or make from. He made a beautiful idol out of wood. So make out. Make so many meanings. Make over, transform. He made over his old office. Transfer, transform and transfer. Make over. He made over all his property to the family. Then make up, fabricate. The boy made up a story for his absence. Yes, kahani banana, that is meaning. Apply cosmetics, makeup. Yes. Fair and Lovely, applying. Yes. I forgot to apply some Fair and Lovely today, see. Alright. So she makes herself up when she goes for a party. Then compensate for, makeup, to cover. The losses of the riot victims have not been made up by the government. And the last one, take decision. She made up her mind to go abroad. Yes, dear students, now your homework is here on page number 98 assignment. Homework, page 98 assignment. Yes, dear students, this is your homework here. Homework page number 98, that is assignment. Only little bit is there. So here what you have to do, from the options given in the box, you have to select the answer. Don't select from outside, which is not given. Alright, we stop for the day and we continue our class in our next working day, Monday. Alright, so that time we will be discussing about specimen paper number 6. Alright, thus let me wind up once again by refreshing your memory. Today, in the very beginning, I have dictated the answers of the homework that was given on page number 93. After that, on page number 94, first part view, we understood the methodology of writing a review of a cultural program, followed by a speech writing, that is the methodology of speech writing on page number 95 and page number 97 and 98. What we have learned, the phrasal verbs. Please go through And your homework, page number 95, assignment, select anyone, that is optional homework. Page number 96, assignment, select anyone, that is also optional. And if you write and forward, definitely I will get back to you. All right, you take care. Bye bye. See you in the next